Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry that I've been MIA from YouTube. Today I decided to sit down and film this look that I'm wearing right now. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and don't forget to like this video. It really helps me out. I hope you guys are all doing well, and this video is going to be a voiceover slash chit chat video. And I guess I kind of like explain where I've been and kind of like a life update. So it might be a little bit long. So grab a snack, grab a coffee, and let's get ready together. So I'm first going to be taking Maybelline's Master Concealer, and I'm just going to prep my eyes and get them ready for eyeshadow. I'm also using tape just so that I can get a nice crisp line. I'm going to use the Soft Glam palette today by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to take orange soda and burnt orange, mixing them both together and just applying that into my crease. Then I'm going to take burnt orange and sienna from the palette, mix them both together, and apply that to the outer corner of my eyes. To get rid of any harsh lines, I'm going to take orange soda and just run that along the outer edge of my crease just so everything blends in nice and seamlessly. Then I'm going back in with my concealer and I'm just going to cut my crease. Then I'm going to take sienna and just focus that on the outer corner of my eyes and just blend that in with the concealer just so that there's no harsh lines and it all blends in really nicely. Up next is Rose Pink. It's a nice shimmery pink shadow and I'm just applying that over top of the concealer. I'm then going to take the shade Glistening, which is just a very nice soft gold shimmery shadow, and I'm just going to focus that right in the middle of my lid. And I did go ahead and spray my brush with some setting spray just so the gold would pop a little bit more. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going in with Tempera and just applying that underneath my brows. Then I'm just going to go ahead and remove the tape, and as you can see, I have a nice clean crisp line. Then I'm just going to apply a coat of mascara to my lashes, and I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty lash glue and apply some false lashes. The lashes that I'm using are in the style AO3 and I got them on AliExpress. I'm now going to switch to talking to you guys live just to update you guys on my life and what's been going on. So now that I'm done my eyes, sort of, I still gotta finish them up, but I just stop here and then I move on to my face. So for my face, I'm going to put on my Origins Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willow Herb. So sorry that I've been kind of MIA from YouTube. I think the last time I posted a video was about 3 weeks ago, and the reason I kind of disappeared from YouTube is because I've been kind of busy just working, and also my parents had their home for sale and they are retiring, so they came up here to look for a home. If you guys didn't know, but I'm sure you guys probably do because I always mention this. I live about 4 to 4.5 hours away from my parents. They live like near Toronto. I live just like way up north, pretty much like in the middle of nowhere. And so I have good news. They found a place up here. Like they're literally going to be probably like a 5 to 10 minute walk. They're just gonna be pretty much like down the street, kind of, well, a couple streets over. So that's really exciting. They tried to find a home down there, but everything is just super expensive. I'm just gonna go in and prime my face with the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. So they tried to find something down there, but like I said, it was way too much money. So they came up here and found something last minute. It was on their last day that they were heading out. They need to be out next month, so it was like crunch time. I think it's a nice, cute home for them. It's perfect for them. It's a nice bungalow, and yeah. So I'm really excited to have my parents really close by. My parents and I are really close, especially me and my mom. So I'm just excited. The only bad thing is that they are going to be away from the rest of the family, but I mean, when it comes down to it, you need to find a place that you can afford. You need to live within your means. So yeah, we were like, you could probably get what you want up here, up north, for way cheaper. And they did. So we're really happy for them, and hopefully the rest of the family will follow. I am putting on 128 Warm Nude, and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. My parents worked really hard all their lives. We came from Guatemala, in case you guys didn't know, and my parents brought us here when we were little kids, and my aunt and uncle sponsored us so that we could come to Canada, have a better life. They came with nothing, to be quite honest, and they left all their family in Guatemala. The only family that's here is on my dad's side, which is my Aunt Blanca. That's named after her. So, I'm sure that was really hard for them. And they deserve to relax now and enjoy their retirement. So next I'm just going to conceal and brighten up my face. I'm just using the Wet n Wild concealer. If you guys can hear my birds in the background, I apologize. I have my birds with me for now. I don't know if you guys remember, but I got lovebirds many years ago, and I featured them on my channel quite a few times actually, and then they just disappeared. The reason for that is because I left them at my parents', just because my husband and I live in a bungalow, so we just have one floor, and they can get pretty noisy. So I decided to leave them with my parents because my parents had, a 3-story home. I just thought it would just be better for them to be there. But I decided to bring them up now since my parents are moving up here, and just to help them out because they're really busy right now, like packing and trying to get the house in order. They are super loud. They wake up at like 7 o'clock in the morning. And I mean, we're usually up by then anyways because we have to go to work. But on the weekend, on our days off, we want to kind of sleep in, not be woken up at 7 in the morning. We didn't get to sleep in today. I'm going to set that with my Peach Perfect. I love this stuff. It's so good. I started using it a few weeks ago and I love it so much. There's no flashback. I noticed in my other one, because I have this one too, the Born This Way by Too Faced, same company, but this one I noticed it leaves some flashback in photos, and that's a big no-no. And the sponge that I'm using is by Shop Miss A, and it's only $1, you guys. It's so good. I stocked up on the sponge. I think they're out of stock right now, but they're amazing. They do everything that the Beauty Blender does, so definitely recommend this sponge. I will link it down below if you guys are interested in it. Okay, so I'm just going to add pretty much the same colors that I used on my eyelids, on my lash line. So I'm going to take Orange Soda, Burnt Orange, and Sienna. I'm just going to take these two first and just run that underneath my eye. And then I'm just going to take Sienna, Just gives a nice, soft, grungy kind of look. I love this palette so much. Have you guys tried it? Let me know if you have. Let me know if you want me to do more looks using this palette. I've been using it like every day. I've already hit pan on one of the shades and I've only had it for, I don't even know, a couple weeks. So I'm going to take the Essence eyeliner. This eyeliner is so good. It's in the shade, I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's nude. It rubbed off. This one is so good, so pigmented. I'm just going to highlight the inner part of my eye. I'm looking pretty pale, so I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild's contouring palette, and this is in Dulce de Leche. I've used many contour shades, bronzers, whatever, and I always go back to this. This is so good. It's very affordable, but also just the shade of the brown is just perfect. I don't know, it works really nicely for me. So don't sleep on this bronzer because it's really good. So Mike and I started watching 13 Reasons Why. I'm pretty sure the second season is out, and I think we're on episode 4, I believe. We're really into it. We like it, so hopefully we can watch a couple more episodes tonight. Then I'm just going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil powder in medium deep and just contour right here. And then just to clean up my contour, I'm just going to take the flat side of my sponge and just from my ear go to my mouth just to clean up that contour and just sharpen it up. And I don't really let it bake, and you end up with like clean contour. For my blush, I'm going to go in with Sephora's Winter Flush palette, and I'm just going to mix these two together. So for highlights, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. And I've been mixing Forever Young and Daydream together. It's the perfect combo mix. Before I begin highlighting though, I like to spray my face just so the highlighter has something to stick to. So I'm just going to use Wet n Wild's Matte Finish Setting Spray. Isn't it pretty? I'm going to take Push Up and apply that to my lips. Lately I've been trying to do more like pinky lips, I guess. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I thought I would zoom you guys in so you can take a better look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and once again, I apologize for being MIA for a couple weeks there, but I'm back. And let me know what other makeup videos or what other videos you guys would like to see so that I can film those for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!